Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are just driving on the Mandeville leg of the highway. Somebody had left a comment asking us to make a video of the highway from this side. So we're just going to make a quick video because as you can see, we pass all those trucks, persons are in them. So this part of the highway, work is being done now, so we don't want to interfere with the construction, and it's also not safe as these big trucks using the road. So we're just going to give you guys an idea of how far the highway has reached, and then we turn around. Okay, actually this is as far as we can. No, we can go further. Okay, this highway is 65% complete, and it's going to run all the way from Clarendon, the Rio Mino Bridge, which is Maypen, all the way to Williamsfield in Manchester. So this is the actual highway. Okay, somebody is signaling to us, so we're going to turn around. This just gives you a general idea of how far the construction has reached with the highway. See a lot of activity. And if we were to go straight across the road, you will also, that's the highway on that side as well. Alright, so we're going to go back on the Winston Jones Highway now and take a look at the bridge that's being built across the road. So if we went straight across, we continue on the highway. Now the road we're going on, the Winston Jones Highway, is still going to be here after the highway is built. So, I'm not sure. Okay, I guess the bridge that's being built is the bridge a highway will use, and they close those extra where we just went, where we entered. That's going to be blocked off when the bridge is built. As you can see, it can't run straight across this road. This road will be here after the highway is built. Okay, so we got that's just a service entrance. You can see some police hard at work. Not sure what the speed limit is here on this road. So it's either 60 or 80. Okay, on the right now you can see another section of the highway. Okay, the speed limit is probably 80 because we're going 60 and the police never even look twice at us. So this is the Winston Jones Highway, and it bypasses the Melrose Hill, and then further up is also another bypass, but that one bypasses Mandeville. I've never really, well, I'm assuming the Winston Jones Highway runs to the roundabout, and then from the roundabout, I'm not sure if the Winston Jones Highway runs all the way, and people just refer to the road as a Mandeville bypass. If anybody knows, you can let us know. But I know we're on the Winston Jones Highway. I don't know if it ends at the roundabout that we're coming up to, and then the other road is the Mandeville bypass, or the Winston Jones Highway goes past the roundabout all the way up to the pass in Mandeville. I'm not sure which one is the official name for that section of the road, Mandeville bypass or the Winston Jones Highway. So if anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.